And here's some numbers engraved, stamped in the blade. I like to see that it says made in the USA. So let's see how these blades worked out. I wanted to get an extra set of blades for my Kubota, and I looked on Amazon, and they had these at a relatively good price, really good price, I thought. And just, you never know when you order something whether or not it's going to work, because they actually didn't say Kubota. It wasn't like you're buying a so-called quote Kubota part where you're given their part number. It's something that, oh, it'll fit this. So I looked it over, looked like it would work, and we'll see. So here you see what I paid for them. Major Appliance Top Shop, the seller. And that's what the 3 blades cost, plus tax. So today is more than 24 hours after I actually received the blades by USPS, and yet it still shows on the way but running late. How is that? Like I said, the shipping is, you don't get a tracking number at all, and they just show up. So that is the negative if you order. So just, you know, if that's something you need, you don't get it. Now I click on track package, and again, on the way but running late. We're very sorry, your delivery is late. We apologize for your inconvenience. So again, it's just ridiculous that the tracking is this poor. And you can see here it says tracking info provided by Major Appliance Top Shelf, which they obviously don't do. So I got my blades finally, and I hear a lot of rattling, so I'm wondering how they sent them. So let's open it up and see. Let's see. Well, just as I suspected, they weren't separated. I don't know if that's how they get them from the dealer, whoever, but let's see what it says on it. Copperhead Rotary. So we'll check them out. Hopefully there's no nicks. Let's see, that one doesn't, I don't see any nicks. This one has no nicks, none there, and none there. So we might be good. We might be good. All right, next thing I want to do is see how they spec up to the dimensions of my original Kubota blades. And they sent it using USPS Ground Advantage from the fulfillment center at that address. And just laying the blade on top of each other, it's just a hair longer on each side, which should be fine. The hole diameter appears to be excellent. The width of the main body up here is good. It looks good down here. All the angles are correct. And if I move this over a little bit, even the length of the cut is essentially the same we come out to the end here, the the cut length, which is the bevel cut, is the same from where it ends, that length of the grind. So these should be good. Also, the thickness is very good here. You can see the old blade on the left, the new one on the right. So far I'm pretty happy. This should work out really well. Well guys, all I've got is this one last blade to put on. They've been fitting perfect. Real happy with them. That'll take a 32mm socket. I used a 1/2-inch square drive. Now, I had never heard of copperhead mower blades, which doesn't mean much, but so I did a little research. Here we see that they are the world's largest supplier of aftermarket outdoor power equipment parts. Here we see just some of the what they have under the blades category. And they definitely have a heck of a selection here. 587 products for original equipment replacement blades. Well then, as I was doing some research, and I noticed their trimmer line looked like what I use. And actually, I've used this .155 for my push, my 3-wheeled or my 2-wheeled bush hog, and then I use the I think .105 for my weed eater, the handheld one, and it's Rotary, so it's by this company, and I love that line. It just holds up. You can beat the hell out of it. So very glad that I bought those blades. I cut grass with them. They look beautiful. They work good. They went on just as to be expected. The only thing I wish is the company would give you a better tracking. Other than that, I would definitely buy this product again.